pussy.
Oh, Jesus. Of Cars and Coffee, Tom's River. We're gonna go there. We're gonna have a good time. We're gonna do a little vlogging. I got a special guest, my boy. You don't talk much.
We're late.
I like turtles.
Sergio's here? Yeah. Well, you can't even fucking tell because the sun's bright as shit. So it's just a silhouette
Special
of Sergio.
guest, Sergio.
Yeah. He's also a cop. If you just move over one, he'll park next to us.
I'm gonna go park right. Roger, wait.
Raj, he's moving over for you. He's so mad. He's so mad. He's so mad.
It's gonna be 70 degrees out. Man's in a sweatshirt and a fucking Carhartt beanie.
I know, dude. I was gonna wear a jacket, and I was just like, nah, dude. Alexa said it's gonna be a 77 today, so I'm good.
Oh, I took a long sleep for work today. I probably should have done that. No.
There we go. Now the homeboy can park here. Now we're thinking. Look at this. This is nice.
I'm getting rid of it. Don't worry.
This BMW is so nice. Just don't look at everything, but it's so nice.
It's a whole lot of hate. I think I'm gonna get Mark, that was making all that.
Huh? Oh, you fucking walked right into that pole.
Jesus.
Church didn't go first?
Church is a bitch. Oh! My leg. A triple dreamy cold brew.
Triple dreamy? Oh, size. I'm like, why is your dreamy tripled?
Because I'm the best. Oh, where's my ring?
This man's married, he's not wearing a ring. Sam, get him. Look at this fucking lineup right now. We got whatever that thing is.
Hold on.
We got the Subs. Nice. We got the Focus, the BMW, the Lex. And the Honda. What's everybody throwing their shoe? Okay.
I don't want to hit his car.
Oh, fuck. Normal height, and then it's like, what the fuck?
I waited like 5 minutes. How's the weather? Right behind me. We were here for 15 minutes before you even fucking.
Like I gotta pan the camera down, back up.
Oh my god, you're so tall. You look like a giraffe.
That's why you dead built like a baked bean.
A baked bean. Back up. $5, EJ. $5. Damn, you really missed out on $5. Would you like to explain why this Cars and Coffee is kind of suck?
Poor advertisement.
Probably poor advertisement. It's just a whole bunch of Mustangs, and we got like Corvettes over there. There's like not much going on.
I mean, they set up all the events throughout the year. Like they set it up at the beginning of the season. But now it's new ownership. So. Yeah.
It is new ownership. This could be the last one forever. No, it's Sweetwaters.
That's why they got rid of freaking French vanilla coffee. Like, can I have a French vanilla coffee?
The new owners got rid of French vanilla?
Yeah. They're like,
how un-American is that?
She's like, I can do vanilla and hazelnut.
What?
Like, it's French vanilla. Who the fuck doesn't have French? You're a coffee shop.
And they got rid of Lego building land.
Here, get that fucking...
I can bring the stuff to your house and we can try to get the hood on.
Just the two of us.
I mean,
I could ask EJ and Roger to see what they say, but
You think they're gonna want to do your hood right now?
probably not. But
Okay, so
they
it's
may,
just the two
out
of
of
us.
out of the kindness of their hearts, they may say yes. Remember, always thank your friends.
All right, Church is too nervous to ask you guys, but do you guys want to do his hood?
Who?
I was gonna ask.
Today?
Yeah.
No.
Okay. There you go.
All right, so it's just us.
Well, did you ask Roger?
Mark will do it.
No, he's a
Or did you ask Mark? He's a mechanic. Rob's a mechanic. Right?
No, it
It's in a box.
Came in a cargo container, dog.
It's not in a cardboard box. It's in a wooden box, and it was basically bolted in there.
It literally
And then-
looks like a military grade box.
Yeah, they're shipping nukes from fucking Ukraine.
Oh, now you're getting red flagged.
Demonetized.
Nah, that's fine. I can edit it. Watch. I'm going to add turtles.
I like turtles.
Mark, what do you think about this thing?
It's amazing.
Yeah, you like it?
Little 15-inch work blazers. So cute. I love it.
He's selling it for 40 grand, too.
40? I
Yeah.
can only do 45.
Nice. Fucking, it's like a Corvette car dealership. Like, there's so many of these fuckers. Insanity, dude. Yeah, fucking insanity. Oh shit, there's another one showed up. Jesus Christ.
Look at all these Ferraris.
Why are you leaving already?
Because
There's so much. We have so much to see.
Yeah, let's go see the same
There's so
one.
much to see. Look at all this empty space. You got so much to look at. What the fuck are you talking about? What is that? What is this?
Blackout kits.
Blackout. It's all wrinkled now.
Oh, it was always wrinkled.
Oh my god. Open your trunk. Surprise, shawty. You throwing garbage in there?
Whatever.
It does look like a recycling bin, I guess. Let's see. Let's see. Damn, who you been texting? What the fuck is all the net?
Exactly.
It was ramen and Chef Boyardee and shit.
Oh my god.
Just next to us at the stoplight on the way
How
here.
does it get to that point?
Ooh.
That took work.
EJ's gotta poop again. No, it looks fucking. It looks tough. Church, you think it looks tough?
I might want ring lights. Sounds like a
It's cute. Where you going?
It's the hood.
Now tell them where you live.
Where?
Kansas.
Detroit, it's not too bad.
Yeah, I live in Brickell. He wants me to drive all the way to Waretown for 4 bolts. I'll have
Yeah, that's
Well, no, that's the least of my. If we can do the hood, then fine. Me and Clinton can do the
I feel
hood.
like
Yeah, but who's gonna hold the camera?
getting it aligned is going to be the annoying part.
It's only 4 bolts. It should
Pop your hood.
be,
Let's see.
hydraulics.
What hydraulics? No fucking
So
hydraulics.
instead of this, I'll have the hydraulics like yours.
Wait, I'm confused.
Have fun drilling into a carbon fiber hood.
They go here.
Wait. You bought hydraulics
And
after
they go
the fact?
here, and they go there. They go to the
I'm
mountains.
fucking confused. So you have this rod. You don't want to use this rod anymore. So you bought aftermarket hydraulics.
Yes.
How do they go on?
Just like I explained. They
You
go,
didn't explain.
They go here and they connect to the.
That seems like really short distance.
So your hood's gonna only open up to about here?
No, it'll open.
How are you gonna do oil changes?
I don't exactly know if it goes to
Mark.
where it goes, but
Mark, how's he gonna do oil changes?
they'll be fine.
All right, and I guess that's it.
Accurate.
Nothing new.
Nothing has changed.
So, on a beautiful Sunday afternoon, after our cars and coffee, I have decided that I am going to take off my hood. There's the Fusion without a hood. There is a hood. All right, and after a few months actually, I ordered this back late August, and I just received it about 2 weeks ago. So end of September, actually first week of October. This side up, yes sir. And yeah, there it is. JMA Racing, custom carbon fiber hood for her. So I'm gonna get this out of the box and screw it on, and we'll go from there. Lost my glasses. Leaving the wrap on temporarily. I haven't hand tightened the damn thing, even though I'm heavy breathing. It wasn't too bad to get it put together. But the next step is I gotta put the Steeda strut brackets on, which requires me to take the bolts back off. But at least I have it settled. Next step, I'm gonna need to take 5. All right, after some shifting and pulling, and wiggling, let's hope. That line is better. I need this line is worse. This line is better.
I like turtles.
All right, so it needs to come forward is the main deal.
Did I what?
Did you bring a battery?
You didn't ask for a battery. You said the drill and bits.
You're fucking... Please tell.
Tell you what? I didn't bring a battery. Do you not have a battery?
Not for no Makita.
Sick. What'd you do?
Drop the support and screw.
I don't have my claw thing with me.
I don't want to take out the battery. It's right there. It didn't fall into the depths.
So if you guys don't know, he's putting on a carbon fiber hood without any help, anybody. We're in the middle of nowhere.
Mostly successful. Well, actually, I've been totally successful, minus dropping the bit in the battery tray.
Look at this.
Stick and some gum.
I got 3M tape. Just stick everything in.
Cut into the carbon fiber. Put fucking tape where you're going to be drilling into so you don't crack the fucking brand new hood. If you don't have tape, you gotta go cleanse. Are you just start drilling? Take this one. You don't need that. You can feel the dimple.
It's a little crooked, but you know, so is he. Nothing straight about this car, not even the driver.